This is the Homaxi Dual Illuminator IP camera. Let's take a look of what's inside the box. First is the Dual Illuminator camera itself. Next is the package for waterproof caps, the package for expansion bolts. The drill template helps locate the installation positions. The quick user guide contains the necessary basic information for our product. We will demonstrate some functions supported by our Dual Illuminator camera. 3 types of fill light. The camera supports IR mode, warm light mode and smart illumination mode to satisfy all kinds of need for various situations. IR mode. This mode uses IR light as fill light, ensuring stable black and white images for low light environment. Warm light mode. This mode uses warm light as the fill light, ensuring full color images for low light environment. Smart illumination mode. This mode uses IR light as fill light for most of the time, but when detecting certain object entering the scene that has the potential to trigger the event, the IR light will be switched to warm light to provide temporary full color images. This ensures minimum details losing for event recordings and prevent unnecessary abuse of lighting. There are 2 main settings for the IR light: auto and manual. When choosing auto, the infrared light activates anti-overexposure functionality. On the other hand, selecting manual sets the infrared light to the default highest brightness, resulting in clearer images. In the warm light mode, there are 3 settings: auto, manual, and close. Auto. In this mode, the camera automatically adjusts the warm light based on the surrounding environment. By adjusting the brightness upper limit option, the camera optimizes brightness to capture better images, with a range from 1 to 100. Manual. In this mode, you can manually control the brightness of the warm light by adjusting the brightness option, ranging from 0 to 100. Smart illumination mode. Combine the previous IR setting and warm light configurations to complete the lighting setup for this mode. Illumination plan. The above 3 types of illumination modes can be configured as schedules to give the user full control of how the camera's fill light works for any time. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you with our product.